Hello, welcome back to the Python series. In this video, we will be discussing about Python strings. In the last video, we have gone through Python variables and data types. We know string is one of the data types of Python. We use it to represent the text data. String is nothing but a sequence of characters enclosed in quotes. For creating the string, we have to use single quotations or double quotations. Either way is allowed. If you want to define a number of lines inside the string, then we have to use triple quotations. Strings have certain characters. Strings are immutable. In the sense, once we create a string, we cannot alter it. It is an ordered sequence. Means the elements, the characters inside the string will have a specific order, so that indexing is allowed in strings. Each character will be indexed. We will be having positive indexing and negative indexing. For positive indexing, starts from 0. In negative indexing, we can also give negative indexing from end of the string. As such, we can also do slicing on a string. For suppose, let us create a string. I want to create a string hello. We need to give quotations. String text is created here. How Python will store hello is, it won't directly store the complete hello in single memory. What it do is, it will do indexing and assign some address to each element. H E L L O is a string I created. What Python will do is, for every character it will be assigning indexing. H is 0, placed at 0, E at 1, L2, 3, L3 and O4. For negative indexing, it will start from the right to left, and O will be given -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. This is how indexing is done for a string in Python. In order to get some slicing, if we want to get a specific set of elements from the string, we can use slicing method. Slicing method, for doing slicing, we need to follow some syntax, that is string followed by brackets, start index and end index plus 1 should be given. For suppose my output, I want to get output ELL. In such cases, what we can do is text square brackets, starting index for E is 1, and last I want to get double L here. The L is indexed at 3, then 3 plus 1 is 4. When we give this, we will get an output of ELL. This is the output we get. For suppose I need to, usually the indexing will be in slicing, it will be taking one jump. For suppose I want to get alternate characters, then jumping by next element, alternate elements is also possible. For that, we have to give another term here, by how many terms it need to jump. Usually it will take 1 as default. As I want to jump by 2, I will be giving like this. Then I get H L O will be my output. As I am jumping by 2 characters, I get one H and then L and then L, leaving leaving these characters here. And we can also perform many operations on strings. Like if we want to know the length of the string, we can use function length, and as as the string contains characters or alphabets, we can use do some lowercase operations by converting the characters into lowercase, uppercase, capitalization, and there are also some operations like splitting. If we want to find a specific element from the uh, string, we can use dot find method, and also we can join strings by using dot join method. Let's see how we can do operations on strings in Python while making code here. Let us create a string, a variable, assigning some value containing a text data. I will give hello world. We can use either quotations, single quotations or double quotations, and let's print the text and print hello world will be printed. As I have assigned hello world, I created a string with value hello world here. I want to know indexing will be taking place once we initialize the string. I want to know the length of the string, so I will be using dot length function here. For doing this, length is a function and pass the string as the parameter, length text, and run. We can see hello world is containing 11 elements like this: H1, 2, 3, 4, 5, space is 6, 7, 8, R is 9, L 10, and D 11. So there are 11 characters, 11 elements inside the text. So it reflected, it gave output as 11. In string formatting, if we want to pass certain arguments, if we want to place certain by giving flower braces, if we want to pass certain characters arguments inside a string, then we can use dot format method. For this, for suppose I want to create, I'll be creating a is equal to she scored I want to fill the data later, so I am giving flower braces here, and I want to make some dot format operation here. Yeah, let's print it using directly a dot format. She got some 85 out of 100. So first, how many arguments we have given there, how many braces we have given, it will store this data inside the string, and let's print and observe. So the 85 is placed at this place, and 100 is placed at the next. This 100 argument is passed to here. And also we can make lower dot lower operations. For this, what we need to do is dot lower method can be used for this, and text dot let us print directly text dot lower, and see, initially I have given H capital and W capital, so dot lower method will convert every character into the lowercase letters. And for uppercase, converting to uppercase letters, we can use text dot upper is the method, and let's print it. See, every element, every character inside the string is converted to uppercase here. And for doing we can also use dot title method for giving like a title. What happens in dot title is, let us print it directly. In title, every element here, every word will be given, the first element in a word will be converted to the capital in title. In next thing we can do is capitalization. Capitalize in the sense, what it will is, only the first starting the letter will be converted to capitalization. It will capitalize it. Only H is converted to capital here. And next we can also perform certain operations like strip. One second. I'm creating a string with certain spaces, or I'm giving like this, and I want to remove the spaces here. In such cases I can use a strip method, so that the space is available at the beginning of the string and at the end of the string will be removed. See, here I have given some space, here I have given some space, that is removed using strip method. And also we can do, if I want to remove only the space at the left side of the string, then I can do like this. I can use print b dot l strip to remove the space only at the left side of the, see, I removed only here, this is not visible, but right side space is still there here. Now if I want to remove the right side space, then I can use right strip. Right strip is enter method. Still here we can see left side space is still available. And we can also pass some characters, those character, whatever the characters that were there before the string and after string can be also be removed like this. For suppose I am creating a string like this, and I want to remove the dots from that, then what I can do is, we can pass the argument in the inside this. It will remove the dots at the beginning and the end of the string. And let's do some split operations. In split operation, the string will be splitted depending on the argument we have passed. I am creating, let us create, for suppose, hey, how are you? And for doing the split operation, we can do split operation like this, text dot split, and in the split we can pass the parameter here. I want to give exclamatory symbol there. I want to split the above string at exclamation mark, so then I'm giving like this. Let's print it. There is a, okay, I've done splitting. We can pass the character invalid syntax. Did I give anything wrong? Text dot split. Yes, we need to give whatever the element we have passed here, we should give the quotations, otherwise it will give the syntax error to this. So here it has splitted the string at exclamatory mark. So hey is one term here, and how are you is one term here. And for suppose if I want to find a specific element inside the string, then it will give you, by using dot find method, we can find where it is indexed. The first occurrence will be reflected. I want to know where L is, whether L is there or not. Then here H is 0, E1 and L2. So first occurrence of L is at index 2, so that will be displayed. And similarly we can use index method to know the index of a particular element. Text dot index L. So the occurrence of L is at 2 and the same is displayed. Here we can also do some replace operations, like I am creating string like this, hello world, and I want to replace the string hello with hi for suppose. Then we need to pass the whatever the strings we need to alter. First will be the already existing, and second one is the new one we need to replace the old one. Okay, and run it. So hello world will be converted to hi world. I am replacing hello with hi here. So in for doing join operations, we can use the join method for joining strings, like it has taken so let us do one thing. We can join like a number of for suppose we are having a huge number of many number of elements or text data. I will take like this. If I want to join many characters, many words like this, by giving some space, then I can do this. We need to give delimiter. I want to use space in between hello and world, so I am using here the delimiter space, and then dot join method, and give what I want to join. I have stored hello and world in text, and here the text. Let's print it. So hello and world are both are joined using the space as a delimiter. That is how dot join can be used. And for suppose I will be using in the context in the English, we will be using many quotations for specifically in grammatically in such cases, such in order to not Python, if we want to print text along with the quotations, we can use backslash, like text is, we need to start with quotations. She said what she said is Python is great, then close, then close. I want to print this as it is. In such cases, in order to make Python not to get confused, if you use slash in front of the quotations, it will escape that. It will understand that it will include the quotations and print text. So the data here we are enclosing inside the along with the quotations will be displayed, so that it can understand that it need to print the quotations also by using backslash. And string concatenation is nothing but joining two strings. I want to join, for suppose I'm creating hello in hello as one variable, and text one containing world in the another in the variable. Then in string concatenation, by using operator plus, we can concatenate can join both the strings. So I will be creating another variable with the text and text plus text1. By doing this, we can add let us print this. We can add two strings. We have added the both strings. This is how we will be making some operations on strings. I think it is clear, and thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.